Hello, everyone. The 21st century is defined by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let me provide you with an example. Have you heard of Alexa? That's a form of artificial intelligence, your personal assistant that can help you check the weather, play music, or even make phone calls. Another example of AI is ChatGPT, where you can access a wealth of information at your fingertips. All of this is made possible through technology. Computers and softwares are transforming the world, and this change is driven by coding. Coding goes beyond just learning technology. It's about enhancing creativity, problem solving skills, computation skills, logical thinking, analytical skills, and critical thinking. This is where we come in. Brain Excel, building smart minds. Since 2015, Brain Excel has been teaching coding to kids. We have carefully designed a kid friendly syllabus that considers every detail. Our vision is to build a better and smarter future, and our mission is to empower students with leadership and academic skills through coding. Our courses offered for juniors are mobile app development, animation and game development with Python, website design, AI for kids, and graphic design. Our courses for seniors are C, C++, Python, Java, full stack, AI, and ML. This is a game of Mario developed by one of our students. This is an app for ordering food at a restaurant. As you can see, when you click on the restaurant, you get the menu and then you can order the food online. This is a website filled with the information about the city Mumbai. You can navigate the website through hyperlinks. This is a game developed by a student using Python called Flappy Bird. Why should you choose Brain Excel? We have a student-oriented syllabus and our trainers are highly qualified and engaging with the children. We have a 100% practical approach and our projects are based on students' favorite subjects. These are some of the reviews left online for us. Here is our contact information. Thank you.